Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel I Love Plants. In this video we are sharing with you my 10-year experience with DIY garden decoration ideas and garden art ideas. I hope my videos on daily basis. First of all, thanks for all my subscribers and supporters. Thank you for supporting me and watch my all videos. My aim is simple. I have present pure and easy tips provide to you for your garden decoration, landscape ideas, front yard and backyard garden decoration ideas, and much more decoration ideas for your garden area. In this video, we are diving creative and inspiration DIY garden decoration ideas to make your garden more beautiful and amazing. Top trending article about the garden decoration design, small garden decoration ideas for your home. Most trending article, flowers look so beautiful and attractive. If you like this, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons so never miss out my own upcoming videos. Thanks a lot. Did you know that you can transform your garden using material that would otherwise go to waste? In this video I show you creative inspiration and some stable ideas to decorate your garden by reusing objects such as tires, boots, pots, wheelbarrows and ladders and much more, all with a lot of style. Personality without spending almost anything. If you love gardening, recycling and use waste material, so this video is for you. Learn how to incorporate eco-friendly gardening by using recycled material for planter and decor ideas. How a simple garden can turn even the smallest area into a charming retreat. Whether you are looking for low maintenance solution to create DIY project, these ideas are designed to fit any lifestyle. We will guide you through each concept with visual and practical tips. Make your home greener, more sustainable and full of life. From indoor living wall or balcony garden, these designs create to both beginners and experienced gardeners. Explore how you can use a smart layout and unique elements to make the most of limited space while adding your personal touch. You from enjoying the joy of gardening which until the end to see how each ideas come to life and smart planning your own garden makeover. You can make your garden look beautiful with some easy DIY decoration ideas. Use old pots or cans and paint them with bright colors to plant flowers. Hanging fairy lights on trees or fences to make your garden glow at night. You can also use old tires as flower bed or garden painting them and flowering plants concept. Make a bird feeder with a plastic bottles or a small bowl to invite birds. Adding small stones or pebbles to make plants or pattern also give a nice look. These simple ideas can make your garden a fun and pretty place to enjoy every day. Brings your garden to life with stunning DIY garden decoration ideas that blend creativity, sustainability and charm. Learn how upcycle everyday items into unique and beautiful garden decor, from rustic green leaf inspired ornamentals or vibrant planters crafted from recycled material. Discover budget-friendly projects that not only chance your outdoor space but also contribute to a greener planter. Whether you are adding lush greenery, whimsical accent or bold centerpiece design, these well, stunning and amazing. These ideas will transform your garden into an eco-friendly oasis which now and start your journey towards a more beautiful, personalized garden. So watch till the end. connect with nature, express your personal style. Transforming it into beautiful and inviting houses does not require a complete overhaul with a touch of creativity and the right decorative elements. You can elevate its charm and create a space you truly love. Let's explore some inspiring garden decoration ideas to spark your imagination. In this video, you can see cottages decoration ideas and your inspiration. Explore beautiful ideas, shabby furniture, cozy textile or brings timeless and scream feel to your home. A small garden does not mean sacrifice charm. Cottages garden are also but lush greenery, vibrant flowers and a touch of nature. Aesthetic garden ideas for a trending backyard makeover. Give your backyard cottages a trending makeover with aesthetic garden ideas. I hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel. And hit the bell icon. Don't miss out any upcoming videos. Thanks a lot. Write in the comments which ideas you liked the most and what topic would you like to see in my future videos. For more garden ideas and garden related videos, click my channel link and watch out my all videos. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and safe. Goodbye.